Alright, so we're back again. Now it's time to build the alternate build of the 8820 Mountain Rambler. So let's set that to the side, get our instructions, and let's get started. This is a little hard to try to find all the differences, like looking back. Yeah, so the main model had parts callouts for everything, so you kind of knew what to expect a little bit more, but like with here, I'm just like studying the picture and trying to figure out where everything goes. Oh no, forgot about this piece. Oh, 10-year-old me is just having a laugh at this. Oh, that's crazy. I think that's all of it. Oh, I didn't put the seat in there. Just kind of pop it down there. And there we go. So, I mean, it's kind of cool. I mean, you can't really, it's hard to steer with it. I really don't know what on earth that is. It's not suspension, that's just there. I don't know. Is that a thing? Do doom buggies? I'm pretty sure this needs to be like pretty rigid. Maybe, I don't know, maybe they have some flex to them, but I don't know about the literal shock absorber. So kind of a cool model. You know, if we had the power pack or motor pack, it was called a few different things. Then we wait. What's that? To the left? Oh, we have the power pack. All right, well, let's get this thing motorized. Okay, so we need to take off these pieces, take off this wheel. We've got our wire, and wow, that wire looks just awesome. If you want to know how, you can look in the description for a guide to repairing your own cables, because believe me, if this cable was original, it would not look like this. It would have insulation flaking off everywhere. Okay, so now we'll throw our motor on. Here, hope. Oh man, this is probably not going to come back off. Oof. And I didn't have the exact rubber bands for this, so we're about to find out if these are going to work. Actually, let's try some of these. I got some blue ones. if you didn't know what this piece is for, that's what it's for, apparently. Or that's what people use it for. For holding your rubber bands. This might be a little tight. Oh no, that looks good. Okay, I'm good with it. Something tells me this is just going to be ridiculously fast. Let's get some batteries in our battery box. Alright, let's see about it. Alright, need a different rubber band for this one. So the wheel comes back off. Alright, let's try it. It's kind of cool. Well, that was a fun build. Again, a lot of nostalgia for this stuff. I mean, just the blue and red on the box and on the instructions and in the build, just it holds a lot of nostalgia for me. So I hope you've enjoyed these couple builds here with this set. This was well worth the money. I did not pay much at all for this set, somehow new in the box, even though it's 31 years old. So thanks for coming along for the ride, and we'll see you in the next one.